guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about, can a virtual data room facilitate secure document sharing in the telecommunication industry? So the answer is yes. A virtual data room can facilitate secure document sharing in the telecommunication industry. The telecommunication industry often deals with sensitive information such as network infrastructure plans, financial data, customer record, legal agreements, and intellectual property. A VDR provides a secure online platform to store, manage, and share this confidential document with authorized parties. Here's how a VDR can be beneficial in the telecommunication industry. Number 1. Confidential transaction. Telecommunication companies often engage in mergers, acquisition, joint venture, and partnership. During this transaction, sensitive documents need to be shared with potential investor or legal teams. A VDR allows the secure exchange of this document, ensuring that only authorized parties can access and review them. Number 2. Due diligence. When conducting due diligence process, both buyers and seller need to exchange, review a vast amount of information. A VDR provides a centralized and controlled environment for sharing document-related financial, contract, operational data, regulatory compliance, and more. It streamlines to due diligence process while maintaining confidentiality and data security. Number 3. Regulatory compliance. The telecommunication industry is subject to various regulations such as data protection laws, privacy regulation, and industry-specific compliance requirements. A VDR can help ensure company compliance with providing robust security features, access control, audit trails, and data encryption to protect sensitive information. Number 4. Intellectual property protection. Telecommunication companies often invest heavily in research and development, resulting in valuable intellectual property. A VDR allows secure storage and control sharing IP related documents such as patent, trade secret, and technical specification. Secure collaboration. Telecommunication projects often involve collaboration among multiple stakeholders, including internal teams, external consultants, and contractors and regulatory bodies. Number 6. Document control and watermarking. VDRs often feature to maintain control over shared documents. So that's all guys for today. Thank you for watching my video.